Hi friends, this is 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Honor 6X smartphone. In this video, you will learn how you can set ringtone for phone Honor 6X. First of all, on your phone, go to the settings and click on sound. Now click on SIM on ringtone. These are all the system ringtones. Just select any one. Select any one and click on the tick mark to activate. Click on music option. And here you will have some music file. You can also select that. In a similar way, click on SIM to ringtone and select any tone from music folder or from system ringtones. These are all the system ringtones. Just select any one. Select any tone and click on the tick mark to activate. This is vibrates when ringing, just you can turn on or turn off. You will have also other sounds like dialer touch tone. Just select any tone here and click on the tick mark to activate. Just you can control other tones, turn on or turn off. That's all friends, thanks for watching, bye.